Email marketing is quick, efficient, affordable, and accessible to every business, no matter how small your marketing budget. It's also an accepted method of communication for both consumers and business audiences. Whilst not everyone has an email address, it's likely that a very high proportion of your customers do. And for those with an email address, it's a very powerful medium. It's estimated that 90% of us look at our emails many times per day, and 78% of us have purchased something as a direct result of an email. Here are some key reasons to make email marketing part of your digital strategy. First, it's affordable. For small numbers of emails, you can use your standard email program. If you're planning to email larger numbers, use one of the many email mailing programs available. Do a search online for email marketing programs. Most of these programs charge a monthly fee based on the number of emails you send per month. Many offer a free trial, and some are free for activity below a certain level. An email marketing campaign costs on average between £4 and £6 per 1,000 mailings. That's against the cost of a direct mailing by post, which costs between £400 and £600 per 1,000 mailings. The second reason to consider email marketing is that it's quick. You can put an email campaign together very quickly. All of the email marketing programs available provide design templates and guidance for every step of a campaign. Also, response rates for email marketing are much faster than for other types of campaign. Most people respond to emails within the first 3 days, whereas it's 3 to 6 weeks for traditional direct mail. Email marketing is more efficient. You can be very targeted, and this generates higher response rates, between 6 and 8% higher than direct mail. This is because people are receiving information they want and are interested in. You can use email in many different ways and at different stages of the decision-making process. It's also one of the only ways you can follow up with people who haven't purchased. And it also allows for two-way communication. You can get into conversation with customers, maybe asking for feedback. Finally, email campaigns are easy to monitor and measure. You can refine the activity and constantly improve your return on investment. Look at the detail in this module and see how you can use email marketing in your business.